I chose MRU because it was in the program of a double degree diploma with my university in France, so the University of Bordeaux. And I had to do 1 year of master's in France and 1.5 years in here, in Vilnius. So because I came here, I had the chance to discover Lithuania, to discover Vilnius, and after my studies I had an internship in here. So then after my internship I had the full-time contract. So I'm now fully living in here, working here, and I really enjoy the city, the weather sometimes, and this country overall. It was unique in a way that it was my first time having classes in English, so I needed to study everything, every class is in English, and it was really interesting, and it's a good way to improve ourselves. Also, we have teachers coming from different countries, from Europe, so not only Lithuanian teachers, not only French teachers. And also we had those experiences that I never had before. For example, moot courts, where we are playing lawyers and pretending that we have to defend some cases in front of a jury. And yeah, that's something that I never did before, so it was quite interesting. At the end of my studies here, I had to do an internship, so a 2 or 3 months one. I had the 6 months ones that I found on LinkedIn. Then, so I had my internship, then I had to write my thesis to defend it. And in the meantime, I had a permanent contract. So the company who hired me as an intern also hired me as a full-time employee later. So it was, I wouldn't say that it was hard, but at first to find an internship, it was not really easy. But yeah, at the end, when you know where to focus, it was definitely easier, and it was an amazing opportunity. I have no regrets.